Hi, I'm Danny, and this is my school. It's awesome. And my teachers are really great. We have loads of sports and activities. The best part is all of my neighbors come here too, so we all just get to hang out. But come on, there's so much more to show you. You're going to love this place. After school, we like to ride our bikes. Mom says it's just like when she was growing up. No worries. No mom's stressing about whether we're okay. It's just so easy here, and I feel totally safe and free. Dad works very hard, but with everything so close to home, he gets to spend a lot more time with us. He looks so much younger when he's smiling. My mom says she loves having everything on her doorstep. She always invites people over and tells them how much she loves it here. There is an awesome clubhouse. Dad is always here. He says he's working on getting rid of his middle-aged spread. My little brother thinks this is the best place ever. At least I don't have to babysit him anymore. I just come down and fetch him when it's dinner time. There's so much to do and see around here. I never get bored. There are tennis courts, river and nature trails. It feels like being on holiday all the time. There's a polo field and a show jumping arena. My sister and her friends are always competing in shows. With all the mums watching from the lodge, like real royalty. Oh, and this is my house. Mom and Dad said they fell in love with it the moment they saw the plans. They're not the only ones. I love everything about it too. Another two people who completely agree with us are Granny and Grandpa. They live just around the corner, so I get to see them as often as I like. And they love having us so close by. I think it's a very pretty place to live. So there you go. Now you can see why I wanted to show you where I live. It's the best. One day when I'm big, I'll get a house here too, with a gigantic pool and a dog. And then I'll have everyone I love around me. Living here will make you feel just as happy as I do. So please, come visit. I have a feeling you'll want to stay.